Gaming industry. The gaming industry is a collection of companies that research, market, and develop video games from conception to completion. The gaming industry consists of developers, designers, marketers, and many other creating positions that work together to create exciting video game experiences. These teams may work together for many months or years to develop and release a single video game. People often perceive the game industry to be a prestigious industry with good salaries. As you can see, gaming industry is growing rapidly. But do you know how it started? What was the first game? I will tell you. Firstly, video gaming started in 1950s or 1960s when computer scientists started designing simple games. First game which was played on multiple computer installations was Space War. This game was awesome, in which the player has to shoot spaceships while rotating around the stars. It was very popular game in 1960s small programming community. After this game, in early 1970s, first home video system console was released, whose name was Magnavox Odyssey. This game was created by Ralph Baer, who is also known as father of video games. Then video game developer Atari created the very first arcade video game, which was Pong game, whose home console version was also released after that, which was very popular and successful at that time, and many companies started trying to make duplicates. In mid 1970s, growth of arcade games started rapidly, which include some famous games like Space Invaders, Asteroids, Galaxians, and Pac-Man. Pac-Man game was so famous that its many sequels, merchandise, and TV series were also released. Pac-Man game was very influential and important game known in gaming industry. At that time, home console market was also lavished along with arcade games. But in 1983, game market experienced a major crash. After that, in 1985, Nintendo, which is a video game developer, released a Nintendo Entertainment System in USA. Our favorite Super Mario game was launched under it, and it was the best selling game. Gaming sector got a major boost because of this contribution of Nintendo. In late 1990s, internet was also widely spread worldwide. Cause of this, all of the video games were also played online. At that time, Sony released its PlayStation and it got very famous. To challenge Sony, Microsoft brought Xbox One and took entry in console hardware market with it. And we all are better known with the craze of both games. At that time, only few companies were ruling, but now many big companies like Apple, Google also gained huge sale earnings from their app stores. Many other games are added with the passage of time. For example, Clash of Clans, PlayerUnknown Battleground, GTA 5, etc. And do you know, GTA 5 and Minecraft are the two highest selling games of the world, where total earnings of GTA 5 is more than $6 billion and millions of players are attached with these games. Due to many technological advancements, gaming experience is on next level, and because of it, in 2025, gaming industry will be of worth $300 billion. Yes, $300 billion, and the future of this gaming industry is much bright that we can't imagine. The global games market will generate revenues of $218 billion Mobile games alone will generate $116 billion. Esports will generate $1.6 billion till 2025. Let's talk about what is the scope of the gaming industry. The gaming industry has an array of career choices to offer. It makes up for a large segment on the employment front too. According to statistics shared by the American Gaming Association, game industry jobs provide employment to as many as 1.7 million individuals, with the employment rate growing by 62,000 jobs on average every year. And jobs in the gaming industry. The most common myth about gaming industry jobs is the lack of options. However, game careers are not limited to game design and game development. Here are some gaming industry jobs that you can take up as a profession, such as video game designer, audio programmer, game tester, and professional gamer, and many more fields. Famous Pakistani people who made their career in gaming industry are like Arsalan Siddique, better known as Arsalan Ash, is a Pakistani professional fighting game player of Tekken by Bandai Namco Entertainment. Arsalan won the EVO Japan 2019 championship as well as winning the WePlay Ultimate Fighting League title for Tekken 7. He was awarded the Best Player of 2019 by ESPN. Second one is Star Anonymous, who is a best PUBG Mobile YouTuber, and he is the biggest and most respected YouTuber in Pakistan. Third one, Syed Sumail Hassan, is a Pakistani professional Dota 2 player. Sumail was a member of the Evil Geniuses team that won the International 2015. Now esports is a proper subject. There are many colleges and universities which are offering esports subject all over the world, such as Miami University, University of Akron, etc. Now Japan has opened an esports high school which is called Esports Kyoto Gakuen. Students can do and are doing PhD in games and are learning skills in different games and can also learn how to make different games using coding. In the end, I want to say that the gaming industry is considered to be the one of the most excited industries in tech because of its importance to culture, entertainment, and technological advancement. Most of the people started gaming during COVID-19 pandemic because there was lockdown all over the world, so people were getting bored in houses and started playing online games for fun and enjoyment. Global video game market in 2020 was $155 billion and it was expected to reach a value of $314 billion by 2026. But due to nationwide lockdown, people stayed at home and some to game platforms to pass the time. That's why gaming market touched $300 billion in 2022. Many people thought that gaming is only wastage of time and gamers only play for fun and enjoyment. But this is not true. As I have previously said, that many people have built their careers and earned much from it. That's why gaming industry is not only source of enjoyment, but it is also a source of earning.